Thank you for choosing this video. Now today we are looking at this company. Now this company is in United Kingdom, and the good thing is that this company is recruiting carpenters, furniture makers, plumbers, and construction workers. So if you're someone who is interested in relocating to United Kingdom as a carpenter, furniture, or plumber, or construction worker, then this is going to be one of the best video that you can get. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you to the website and show you how you go about it to apply for this opportunity. So this is the official website of this company here. As you see here, we have carpenter, furniture makers, plumbers, construction workers. Now this job was posted on 19th November 2023, and closing date for this job is 19th December. Okay. If you want to apply for this job, all what you have to do is just scroll down here and you see summary of the job. So all what you are going to do is being summarized here. You just have to read all these things, and if you're interested, you hit on apply for this job. Okay, so let me take you through how you go by application. So all I have to do is that if you don't have account on this platform, you just have to first create your account, your email address and password. Then after that, it will log in for you to start your application. So let me log in and show you how you go by application. The location of this job is in United Kingdom here. So first of all, you just have to provide your full name here. You provide your email address. It has been already captured there. So all I have to do is just give them a message. We have to write a short message about why you need this job and why you qualify for this job here. And then after that, attach your CV. So you need to get a standardized UK CV for job. Okay, so after that, just upload your CV here and you hit on apply for this job. And if you are lucky, you are going to be recruited. And the big opportunity or the good thing about this is that your visa is just going to be sponsored by this company. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.